Electricity can be dangerous. It can shock you. It can even kill you. So here's a strange question. Why don't birds get electrocuted when they sit on power lines? They're touching electricity and nothing happens. So what's going on? To understand this, we need to think about what electricity is trying to do. Electricity isn't random. It loves to move. It flows from a place with lots of energy to a place with less energy. You can imagine it like a ball rolling downhill. If there's a hill, the ball moves. If everything is flat, nothing happens. Electricity works the same way. It only moves when there's a difference. Power lines are built to give electricity an easy path to follow. The electricity flows along the wire, back and forth, over and over again. That's called alternating current. But the important part is this: it wants to stay on the wire. Now, imagine a bird landing on a power line. Both of its feet are touching the same wire, very close together, at almost the exact same energy. It's like touching the same spot twice. There's no downhill, no difference. So the electricity has no reason to move through the bird. It just keeps flowing along the wire. The bird doesn't get shocked. Here's the big idea. Electricity only shocks you when it passes through you. No movement through the body means no shock. The bird isn't completing a circuit. It's like standing on a floating raft. As long as you don't touch the dock, you're safe. And just to be clear, birds aren't superheroes. They don't have electricity-proof feathers, even though that would be pretty cool. This only works as long as the bird touches one thing. If a bird touched two different wires at the same time, or a wire and a metal pole, now there is a difference. Now electricity has a path, and that can be dangerous. That's why birds can sometimes get hurt near big transformers or tangled wires. Power lines are not safe. Birds are just very careful and very small. Humans can't do this. We're much bigger than birds. If you touched a power line and the ground at the same time, electricity would rush through your body to get to the ground. That's a circuit, and that's why it's dangerous. If you want to see how circuits work, try this with an adult. Take a small battery, a wire, and a light bulb. When the circuit is complete, the bulb lights up. When it's broken, nothing happens. This video showing you the experiment will be linked in the description. Electricity only works when it has a path. So let's remember the rule. Electricity needs a path to flow. Birds don't give it one. We should always stay far away. And here's something to think about. Lightning is electricity looking for a path too. There's a huge difference between clouds and the ground. So what path do you think lightning takes when it jumps down to Earth?